welcome back to our channel. We are officially leaving Jaden's cousin's place and we are on a train.
The road again.
We're on the road again, and well, we're on the tracks again. We booked ourselves into a hotel for like 7 nights because we're not entirely sure what we're doing with our lives. So
we have no clue what we're doing. It's a little bit scary, I have to say. She looks too confident right now on camera, and she's not at all. She's crying inside. But it's fine. We're gonna
work it out.
We're gonna work it out. We're just the only thing we can do is just wait because both our countries are closed to each other, you know. So
yeah,
until that happens, we just gotta deal with what's going on right now, the situation.
And to be honest, everyone who we've spoken to trying to get into each other's countries, they've all said just be happy that you're actually together because of how many families and people have been separated because of this virus. So yeah, I suppose we're just grateful that we can be together.
We're very grateful, yes.
Yeah. But yeah, now we're going to enjoy this beautiful train ride all the way to Marylebone. It's about an hour's train ride, and then we're going to see if we're going to catch an Uber or the underground to get to our next destination.
Yes.
Don't forget, guys, if you like our videos, make sure that you subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and comment down below.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give.
Okay, we just got off the train here. You can see the train in Marylebone. I've got my man, he's dragging all the bags. It's hilarious, I just have one. That's my bag and my handbag and this massive backpack. But yeah, now we're gonna hopefully find an Uber.
Look at all her luggage, just look at this.
Okay, no, that's his and that's mine. Store your bicycles here, catch your train over there, and then when you get back after work, hi, then you can cycle on home. And we're through.
Alright, so don't cry, babe. We gotta be grateful for what we have. So, let me just make this very nice and short.
We're gonna do a room tour. And we're gonna see how big our room is.
Just wait.
Wow!
Okay, so.
And that's the end.
Yes. Now, it's a little bit different than what we had in...
No, let me explain. So what has happened in the past couple of minutes? In the past half an hour to 45 minutes, we arrived at the Premier Inn, which we had booked online. Okay, so we get there, the doors open, we go to the reception, and then she says to us that we don't have a reservation. So I'm like, what? I literally booked this last night. Yes, we do have a reservation. She's like, no, you don't. Then I noticed that the booking, well, even though I booked for June, it had been moved to July. The 7th of, what's the date? The 30th of July instead of the 30th of June. So I was like, whoa, why did that happen?
And the reason why is because most hotels are only opening up on the 4th of July officially in
to public
England,
people.
To public people. It's only for essential workers. Now, the only other hotels that were open in the area to
normal people.
To normal people, I guess, was
this one?
This one. Now, you know, honestly, I can't complain because, you know, I've been in much worse situations in my life. We got so used to such a luxurious lifestyle in our other apartments, and we just came from my cousin's house, which is beautiful.
So nice.
Beautiful house. And
now we got here, we paid the same price, and we had to lift up these huge suitcases up 3 flights of stairs.
Anyways, all I could say is it's a beautiful apartment, other than the fact that
we are sharing a bathroom and a toilet. But luckily there's like no one in this place, so it's basically like it's our toilet and our shower. So
this is character building, if you know what that is. Character building, and she knows it very well, and we're gonna character build now.
I've done a lot of character building in my life, so
yes.
we will survive.
Let me just show them one more
Yes,
time. Cassandra. So happy. So here's our beautiful bed, which is actually, this one is a nicer bed than we had in our other apartment, by the way. This is the window. We have a tiny cute little TV here. And here's our view, which is very nice actually.
Look at this tiny little cupboard.
This is our cupboard. Maybe this is not the most ideal place, but the location's amazing.
Yeah.
And that's all we could say, and we will show you guys where we will be going next.
Going next, yes.
Yes, stay with us for our adventure of getting home one day. One day.
Blacked out how the other night last. Maybe come around for a minute, should I like that? I could never catch, taking aim, might have missed you. Couple 100 miles out, if I hear the text, no, you're probably blacked out how the other night last. Maybe come around for a minute, should I like that?